In today's Good Finance, there's a new way to give your credit score an instant boost. Critics, though, warn it could come with some catches. NBC's Morgan Chesky explains.
For working mom Jacqueline Neary,
May I speak with Ms. Sanchez, please?
it's one sales cold call after another. Each number dialed, a chance to not be defined by another number.
My credit score currently is at 511, I believe.
Neary blames that very poor credit score on student loans and 9-year-old credit card debt from when her son was born.
I'm not that person, who they're judging off of that negative credit score.
Credit agency Experian says nearly 100 million Americans suffer from poor credit, which is why the company's launching Experian Boost, a free program designed to raise scores immediately in exchange for access to your bank account, utility bills, even cell phone payments.
You're asking people for their spending history, their bank accounts, pretty personal stuff. How safe is this to provide information-wise?
The consumer's always in control. They decide when they provide that access and when they want to revoke that access.
A demo led to an instant 21-point boost, but critics see risks of subprime lending, opportunism to make more money from more loans, and privacy concerns.
So someone is going to make money off of my data. It won't be me, but now that information exists, and it exists for the world to see, for it to be sold.
Experian promises encrypted records and to only sell this new information to its regular credit report clients, adding anyone who leaves the program should expect to see their score drop. For Neary, a risk worth taking, a bet on a better future by letting a company peek at the present. Morgan Chesky, NBC News.
We actually spoke with the CEO of Credit Builder Alliance to explain this credit boosting a little more. Dahara Duge shared how thickening your credit file is a way to improve scores, and the Boost program is designed to do that.
A thin credit file is essentially just not a lot of information on your credit report. You might just have an auto loan payment, for instance. And if you don't have a lot of information, they oftentimes can't even create a credit score. And without a credit score, there's so many things you can't do. So it's really important to actually thicken your file. And it's a way for people to be able to link their utility payments, their mobile phone payments, and have that information appear on their credit file. So currently right now, if you think about those types of payments, it only appears on your credit report if you're late. So if you're in collections or it's negative information, but you don't get credit for paying your bills on time. But with the Experian Boost product, you actually will. So for young people that don't have a lot of different forms of credit, they don't have a mortgage, for instance, this is a way for them to be able to add more information. So thickening your file